Pakistan is a land of glorious highlands, breathtaking landscapes, flourishing fields, and above all, it is the land of emerging opportunities. The agriculture sector serves as the backbone of the country and has always played a vital role in the food growth and economy. Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, has always been considered as the golden sparrow for its rich agriculture. Substantial production loss is protected in the field of agriculture due to the traditional ways of cultivation and climate change. The negative impacts of these factors are more significant in dryland regions, though the agriculture of these areas solely depends upon rain, so the water resources are limited. The land suffers from desertification and degradation, and the farming families are less aware of the modern agricultural technology. To address the issues and challenges, Agriculture Department, Government of the Punjab, is implementing a comprehensive strategy under Khadam-e-Punjab Kisan Package. In rain-fed region, Barani Agricultural Research Institute, Chakwal, is introducing new climate-resilient and farmer-friendly technologies. Till date, Bari, Chakwal, has developed 37 new high-yielding, disease-resistant, and climate-resilient varieties of different crops. The Institute is also leading an R&D program on value addition of these crops and striving for value chain development in collaboration with various national and international agricultural organizations. It is also providing technical assistance to farmers and other stakeholders. The collaborative efforts are transforming rain-fed region into a high-value agriculture valley. Promotion of olive cultivation in these areas is an integral part of this strategy. There are 69 cultivars of olive in Germplasm Unit (GPU) at Bari Chakwal that are under intensive research on different aspects since 1991. After 25 years of experimentation and intensive research, Bari Zaitoon 1, Bari Zaitoon 2, Arbequina, Gemlik, Frantoio, Coratina, Pendolino, Arbosana, Lacino, Autobratica, Nabali have been identified as olive varieties suitable for Potihar and adjoining areas. Like the advanced olive-producing countries, Bari Chakwal is striving hard to promote modern cultivation techniques of olive. Millions of acres of wild olive, that is Kahu, in the Potihar region depicts that this area is the best for olive cultivation. New olive varieties start giving fruit by the 4th year, and with good orchard management, olive trees can fruit for hundreds of years. There are many olive trees, age of which is more than 2,000 years, but still providing fruits in the world. Each plant can give 15 to 50 kilograms of fruit. However, some olive plants produced up to 90 kg under Chakwal condition. The olive fruit contains 18 to 22% oil, depending upon varieties. Olive oil production from 1 acre is estimated to be around 300 liters. That leads to an estimated income of more than 1,50,000 rupees from 1 acre of land. Olive has a better ability to fight with drought as it requires drop-by-drop irrigation and less care. The plant requires more water during the months of May and June, whereas the Potihar region lacks rain in these months, so the drip irrigation system is the only possibility for successful and profitable cultivation. According to a survey conducted by Punjab government in March 2015, there are approximately 0.8 million acres less fertile and marginal land available in Potihar region, where the farmers are either not cultivating anything or the production of conventional crops is very low and non-profitable. Keeping these factors in view, Potihar region has been officially declared as Olive Valley, and farmers are being provided maximum technical and financial assistance for olive cultivation. Olive cultivation program has been initiated in districts of Chakwal, Attock, Rawalpindi, Khushab, Jhelum and Mianwali in Potihar, targeting cultivation on 15,100 acres of farmers' fields from 2015 till 2020.
This is a unique project of the Government of Punjab Agriculture Department, which will not only benefit the human beings, but will also address the climate challenge being faced nowadays. Under this Olive Valley project, 100,000 acres of marginal lands are being rehabilitated through olive plantation in 3 phases, with the active involvement of the all value chain players. This program will go a long way in establishing the olive industry and business in the country.
2 million olive plants of identified varieties are being provided with an estimated subsidy of 2 billion rupees under the 5 years program to transform Potihar region into Olive Valley. As much as 70% subsidy is provided for water source development and 60% subsidy for drip irrigation system. Under this program, landowners are being provided on-farm technical assistance, advisory and training for olive orchard establishment and management free of cost. Thousands of olive plants have been distributed among the farmers, along with on-farm technical support. Utilizing government subsidy, hundreds of farmers have developed water sources. According to an estimate by the Virtue of Olive Valley program, approximately 70 million liters of olive oil worth of 39 billion rupees will be produced in the country. It is important to mention here that local production of olive oil has started in the Punjab and is projected to increase gradually.
Olive Valley project is the outcome of more than 20 years of research conducted at Barani Agriculture Research Institute, Chakwal. Extensive experiments were conducted, including the yield of the olive, its climate, testing of olive in various ecologies in this region, its diseases, insect, and especially the quality of the olive oil were considered before producing the plants and giving to the farmers. The profitability of the farmers was also considered so that farmers can get more profit as compared to what they are getting before the olive plantation.
Bari Chakwal has standardized various value-added products of olives, due to which local cottage industry is also flourishing, creating job opportunities for farming families, women, and youth as well. The institute is also facilitating private sector for purchase of olive fruit from farmers through press advertisements and establishing fruit purchase centers. For the promotion of olive, Bari is also providing free of cost services to olive producers for extraction of extra virgin olive oil. Under Green Punjab Vision, Agriculture Department, Government of the Punjab aims to expand olive cultivation on marginal lands in southern Punjab, including Thal and Cholistan. A comprehensive strategy is being developed for facilitation and regulation of private sector in collaboration with stakeholders. In this regard, Agriculture Department Punjab has constituted a 27 members body named Olive Development Group for value chain development with representatives from public as well as private sectors. The Secretary Agriculture, Government of the Punjab leads the group. A Center of Excellence for Olive Research and Training is being established at Bari Chakwal as per the recommendations of Olive Development Group to address the issues of olive growers and other stakeholders. The center will also provide training and technical support to all value chain stakeholders. In collaboration, other national and international R&D partners, other steps are also being taken for value chain development. Creating favorable environment for olive business in the province, USAID under PEEP project has announced 7 matching grants to the private sector for the sustainable development of olive. Olive promotion drive will not only ensure availability of extra virgin olive oil in the country, but also develop export prospects for sustaining the economy of the country. New job opportunities will be created in the agricultural sector. It will help rehabilitation of less fertile and marginal lands into productive orchards. Olive production will greatly help in reducing land desertification as climate change adaptation technique. Potahar is a watershed area, and tree plantation will minimize water erosion, environmental degradation, enhance life of water reservoirs at downstream, and decrease occurrences of floods. Sooner, these marginal areas of Punjab will have a worldwide recognition for production of premium quality of olive oil. Interested farmers are advised to contact Bari Chakwal at phone numbers 0543 662 001 till during working office hours, Monday till Friday, 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. May join us at Facebook or may also visit our website www.barichakwal.agripunjab.gov.pk for any query.